Page 38. Lesson 4. Biomes. B. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Natural community.
2,
Freshwater.
3,
Desert.
4,
Forest.
5,
Grassland.
6.
Tundra.
Page 38. C. Listen and read.
Biomes of the Earth. Biomes are natural communities of plants and animals. The Earth has 6 biomes. The oceans are the biggest biome on Earth and are home to whales, dolphins, and fish. Over 70% of the Earth is ocean. Oceans give us food and oxygen. Ocean water goes into the air and comes back as rain. Lakes and rivers are fresh water. Turtles and ducks live in this biome. About 3% of the Earth's water is fresh water. About 30% of the land on Earth is desert. Deserts are the driest and hottest biome. Deserts are home to snakes and lizards. Over 30% of the land on Earth is forest. This biome has many trees, plants, and animals. There are forests in hot and cold places. Forests are the biggest biome on land. Grasslands have grass, but not many trees. North American grasslands are home to rabbits and snakes. African grasslands have zebras, elephants, and lions. The tundra is the coldest biome. It is home to foxes, bears, and 1,700 kinds of plants.